This video will show you how to use Visa gift card on Amazon for partial payment. If you want to use a Visa gift card on Amazon, even if it doesn't cover the full amount, here's how you do it. You should first check your Visa gift card balance. You need the exact amount, then go to Amazon and add an item to your cart that costs equal to or less than the gift card value. At checkout, choose Add a Payment Method and enter your Visa gift card details just like a regular credit card. Make sure the billing address matches what's on the card's website. Amazon doesn't allow split payments directly, so here's the trick. You should buy an Amazon e-gift card with your Visa gift card for the exact amount, then apply it to your account. Now, when you check out, your Amazon balance will cover part of the payment and the rest can go to your regular card. And that's all on how you stretch your Visa card on Amazon.